Okay, I'll show you how to remove this chip. First time we don't know this chip is lead or lead free, so we use one temperature to test this temperature, lead free temperature, because it is new chip. Usually the new chip will be lead free temperature if we don't rework on this chip. How to change this? 1, 2, 3 passport, and then we change this time to 90. The last one, okay, temperature time, and then we save and download this and the back. Now this is the temperature we use. We first choose the semi-auto. For the first time we remove this chip, we don't know the temperature, so we use this working mode, semi-auto, and then run. If the next time we do the second or 3 times to remove this kind of chip, we can choose the model remove. First time we use semi-auto and then run. Clear run button and use this joystick. Like this. And the nozzle not touch the chip. Keep a little distance. And then we clear run button. And the machine start running. Or start heating. So you see, we total use 5 glue, right? When the temperature running to 250, we can press button holding, keep the temperature to test the chip melting or not. Now running to the second group temperature. You can see the temperature from here. When the current temperature reach 250 or 260, we can use the tweezer to test whether it's melting or not, or not melting. Use the tweezer test. Now reach the fourth loop. If it is a lead chip, we can test the temperature now. Or we can test the chip now. Or still not melting. Now he already going to the 5 good loop temperature. But as you can see, I use the tweezer, still cannot move it, so not melting. When it reach the 5 good loop temperature, we can clip hold. Let the temperature running 260. And then wait a few seconds, we use this to test. You see? Already melted. And now we clear this one and use this one. Press down, pick up the chip, stop. This is a way to test the chip by the machine. You see, the first time we remove this chip, the temperature need to reach 260. This chip is a little free chip.